Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed decisions in the beauty world. Today, we're looking at a tool that has become a staple in many men's grooming routines, the Merkur Classic Straight Safety Razor, MK-33C. This razor promises a blend of precision, craftsmanship, and a classic shave that many men crave. But does it deliver? Stick around as we dive into its design, performance, and whether it's worth adding to your grooming kit. Now, if you're someone who's been frustrated with disposable razors or dealing with nicks and irritation, this might be the answer you've been searching for. But before we get into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. The Merkur Classic Straight Safety Razor MK-33C is a high-end shaving tool designed for those who prefer a more traditional approach to shaving. This razor features a single razor blade, known for offering a close and smooth shave. The razor head is die-cast zinc, while the handle is crafted from brass with a sleek, bright chrome-plated finish. This is not your typical disposable razor. The Merkur MK-33C is a more robust, durable option, designed to last for years with proper care. For those looking for a more sophisticated shaving experience, it offers a superior alternative to plastic razors that need to be replaced frequently. Now, I'll be honest. Since this product is designed for men's grooming, my husband helped with the review. As a woman, I don't use razors like this, but he has used it for the past few weeks, and his feedback will guide this review. So, how did it perform in real-world conditions? The first thing my husband mentioned was the weight of the razor. It's heavier than the standard razors he's used, but that provides a feeling of sturdiness and control. He found it easier to achieve a close shave without putting too much pressure on the razor, which can sometimes lead to irritation with other razors. The chrome-plated handle is sleek and easy to grip, even when his hands were wet. He did mention that the razor head is a bit larger than some safety razors he's tried, so it takes a little more practice to maneuver in hard-to-reach areas. But once he got the hang of it, it provided a smooth and precise shave with minimal irritation. On the downside, because the Merkur Classic Straight Safety Razor uses a single razor blade, you do need to take your time to ensure you get the right angle. For those new to traditional razors, this could be a bit challenging at first. But once you've mastered the technique, it offers one of the cleanest and closest shaves out there. When it comes to the price, the Merkur Classic MK-33C is definitely on the higher end. But given its durability, premium materials, and the quality of the shave, the cost is justified if you're someone who values a classic grooming routine. If you've been tired of replacing disposable razors every few weeks, this one-time investment might be worth it. Is it comparable to other razors in this category? Well, yes and no. While there are other safety razors on the market, few match the build quality and smoothness of the Merkur MK-33C. Some alternatives may offer a lower price tag, but they don't always match the quality of the shave or longevity. The materials used in the construction are top-notch. The brass handle feels solid in hand, and the die-cast zinc razor head offers both precision and durability. And the bright chrome plating adds that extra touch of luxury. In terms of longevity, this razor should last for years, which is why it's seen as an investment. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are other safety razors out there like the Parker 99R, which is similarly built but at a lower price point. However, you might notice a difference in the overall shaving experience. So, does the Merkur Classic Straight Safety Razor live up to its reputation? Absolutely. It provides a close shave, feels premium in hand, and is built to last. It might take some practice if you're not used to safety razors, but once you get the hang of it, it's hard to beat the smoothness it delivers. Is it worth the price? If you're serious about your grooming routine and looking for a razor that will last for years, the answer is yes. Thank you for watching this review on Beautyistic. If you're interested in purchasing the Merkur Classic Straight Safety Razor, you can find the link in the comments or description box. If you've used this razor, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.